So I saw and foresaw every problem that would come about with the internet.
It's the devil.
And
not you, Lee.
as soon as I saw it, I said this. I said this. This is going. This is. This. I actually said. I said this is the devil. So I said the internet's the devil. And what happened was
Sweet.
high school students were in a, and I have people, family members that were in a time of the internet and the accessibility to ask a computer system a question and get an answer without knowing how that answer would exist and how that answer is correct. So they're it's not their fault because of emotional and the unemotional, well, the lack of emotional intelligence is the biggest issue. And so the high school students would start to they got so wrapped up and involved in their personal lives and with feelings, boys and girls, and then you throw in teachers and then politics and then finances, and I mean it got really bad, and so it was to an extreme point where they said we need to have some common agreements for education so that people aren't turning to a computer system that has the wrong information or information that is going to not exist if you don't have the proper atmosphere to have the proper devices to get the information from. That here, iron and steel and people have to get used to. I took two people to San Diego and I said, you guys need to experience and feel things and know and smell things and know where you're at, because if not, people will have their maps on their phones, and the programmers or even the satellites, if the satellite looks down and says where you're at, but yet doesn't know that there's not really a street there, then it goes kaboom. And people are going to be going to China on the other side if things are flipped around. Okay, so with this right here, what I'm looking at is incorrect. Okay, am I holding up my left arm or my right arm? So I'm holding up my left arm, but yet it looks like my right arm, because people think that it's like this. And now am I holding up my left arm or my right arm? Okay, so the background, everything, it's everything. So even now,